napakagwapo.
Idrik siya.
Oh my God! Hindi ko makakalimutan ang pangalan ni AJ. Okay. Adric, what is in your bag? What is your driver?
I have a GT3 type list.
Tight list. Ako, magagaling ang tight list eh. Ano yung carry?
Right now around 285, 90.
Oh my God! Dalawang driver? Okay.
Ay, po. Around that distance.
No, my distance.
Ah, yeah,
Like
dalawang
two driver. Okay, and then you have
This is GT3 as well.
GT3 boots mo.
Woods mo.
Ano siya? Ano na? Bakit natitira niyo yung driver? Hindi namin matira eh. And then wala kang hybrid.
Wala po. May hybrid.
First time, wala. OMG, second time ko na rin nakakita na naka 2 eyes. The first one was actually okay.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Pero malakas siya. Ako hindi.
Hindi ko pa malakas na lagay na yan. Grabe. So, meron kang 2, meron kang 7, 9, 8, 6, 5, and a lot of wedges. What is the brand of your
They're all
tires?
tight.
All
Tightless
tires.
tires, tightless budgets.
Okay, so now, here's the question for you. What is your advice for a beginner golfer?
I think that would be hard work.
Sinasabi mo para ako natutunaw eh. No? Para natutunaw ako dito pag sinasausap ako ni Adric. Okay. So, what do you do on a bad day in a tournament? Bad round.
During the round or after the round?
During and after.
During, I try to, of course, for after level, we try to minimize our mistake.
Yeah.
And then after, try to get out of the golf course.
Really?
Kind
You
of,
don't like go back to the driving range?
I will. Maybe more
But you
like,
parang go
once
away first.
I leave the course, I'll practice, I'll hit some putts. But then once I leave golf there, then parang mindset wise.
Mindset wise. How do you like chill pag off-season? Travel. I saw you like you're traveling.
Travel and work.
Yeah.
Travel and work.
How old are you?
25.
Ang bata pa pala. And then, what is your dream flight? Who is your dream flight?
And the group,
Yeah. Can be international or local.
Rory,
Rory.
and maybe Bruce. Captain.
Thank you very much. Oh, ba? Parang may matay, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. See you at the fairway. Hi, guys. This is Fairway Tita, and welcome to Manila Southwoods. Through the fairways of Fairway Tita, we have a beautiful golfer. Hi to the vlog. Okay, so what is in your bag? Your driver. Let's start with your driver. This is new one.
The new one just came out.
Okay. What is your carry? Oh, 90? OMG.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then we have woods.
Yeah, I have a 3 wood.
Okay. It's not hard to hit.
It is actually. It's the hardest club.
Why do you have it?
I need it.
You need it. Okay, what's the carry?
This is like 270-ish. Yeah. Tailor made. And then I have a hybrid.
Hybrid, just one.
Yeah.
Hybrid.
20.
Okay. What's the carry?
This is like 250. Yeah, the first
Okay. And then you have
irons are Strixon 4 to pitching wedge. CXI 7.
restriction.
Yeah.
Is it the cavity back?
What's in the back? Yeah, cavity.
And then what's your putt?
My butter is a smile.
Oh, palette.
Mallet.
Yeah. Nice.
Mallet's easier.
You have a girlfriend? Okay, so what is your advice for beginner golfers? Like fairways.
I think most important is you just have to enjoy it first. It takes a lot of your time. You spend a lot of time. So I think enjoying it. Oh, I like to watch movies.
Really? What's your favorite show?
Maybe game.
Oh, Game of Thrones. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Pakag nga, ang gwapo eh. Oh my God, ang gwapo niya. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
And see you at the fairways.